Hey Gemini, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nelly, aka Owl Tarot, and I'm here to give you guys your weekly readings. We're going to tap into this energy, see what is going on with you guys. What are the overall messages? What can you expect this week and the possible outcome? Guys, before we get started, my readings are timeless, general love readings, so they may or may not resonate with you. Please take what does, leave the rest behind. Time is fluid, so whenever you find this reading, you're meant to hear it. There is no gender in tarot, guys. Please reverse the roles as need be. Cross watchers, you are always welcome. Guys, don't forget to check your other placements so you get a better understanding of this energy. And if this reading resonated with you and you would like additional messages and clarity regarding your situation, you can always book a personal reading with me. The information is in the description box below. Guys, also, please don't forget, if you are new or a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This actually helps me connect with you guys energetically and give you clear and concise messages. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started here. So I do already have your oracle cards for the week in front of me. I've already meditated and went over them. So what I'm really getting here is that some of you guys are getting messages with the feathers here. When I look this card up, it's messages from heaven, messages from loved ones that have already passed on. Some of you guys have been getting a lot of synchronicities, okay? There's a lot of synchronicities that things in your life are getting ready to change. For some of you guys, you've already come into some type of windfall of abundance. You may have found the love of your life. If not, this is getting ready to come towards you guys, but there's changes, very significant changes coming towards you, and you're starting to get those synchronicities of things that are changing, okay? Like, you know how you get that overall energy of something's about to happen? I usually get that, and I hate that feeling that I know something's gonna get ready to happen, and I start thinking about all my kids and my grandkids. I just start flipping out. But what I'm really getting in this energy is that someone's already getting that sense of urgency, not necessarily, but that energy of things are changing, but they're changing in a very positive, abundant way. You guys have been getting a lot of synchronicity. Some of you guys have been getting messages in the dream state as well. Or you do see a lot of feathers, a lot of numbers, you know, repeating numbers, but there is abundance, happiness, greatness coming towards you. Messages for my Geminis here, universe. Ooh, Six of Cups. Guys, there's someone that's racing towards you here. There's a reconciliation in the air here. There is somebody from your past that's coming back towards you, and this person isn't letting anything or anyone stop them this time. This person is actually on their way now. With the Ten of Pentacles, there's about to be some stability, some abundance. There's going to be some very stable offers that are going to be given in a situation here. With the World, it's a final completion to a situation where it could have been very unstable in the past. Somebody may have ran away from the situation, but this person is now coming in with this Knight of Wands energy, very passionately wanting to communicate, wanting to have a new opportunity here to be able to talk to you, to clear the air with you. I feel that this person also in the past, they might have made promises that they weren't able to follow through with. But now they're coming in a very, very different energy here. Nine of Pentacles. You're dealing with someone who could have been in a relationship in the past, possibly even married when you met them. You chose to walk away from them. Now this person is single and ready. With the Nine of Pentacles, you're dealing with someone who is in pre-Empress energy, who's ready to settle down, who is ready to give you what you want, who is ready to achieve abundance and happiness and greatness with you is what I'm getting here. You as well may be in this Nine of Pentacles energy. You're very abundant. You're looking good. You're looking sexy. Money is fine. Like everything is finally falling into place for you guys. And when you least expect it, this person's going to come in here. Queen of Cups here. Someone that is going to come back and open up emotionally. Let you know how they're really feeling. With the Queen of Cups energy here, I'm getting a very emotional character. You may be dealing with someone who's a water sign or even earth sign here, but Gemini, things are getting ready to change for you. And I'm getting this energy that you know this because you've been, for one, you've been manifesting this. You've been really working on your manifestations, trying to bring in what it's rightfully yours, trying to achieve your abundance, possibly even this reconciliation. You've just been closing out cycles that didn't serve a purpose in your life. You've been healing. You've been doing the work. You've been doing the right work at that, okay? With the Death here, There's a major transformation in a situation here. So now if this person in the past walked away from you and they weren't, how can I put this? So if this person in the past, before walking away from you, I'm trying to say, they weren't right. They were just acting a fool, doing stupid things, not paying attention to anything, the relationship, the family, anything like that. This person has done a total transformation. This person is no longer that same person that walked away from you in the past. This person's coming in here very fast, 8 of Wands. You're wanting to communicate. Look at bringing in very stable offers. Very stable offers. With the Ace of Pentacles, this person wants an opportunity at a new beginning with you. Oh, Gemini, who are you dealing with? I feel that this is someone that you could have been married to in the past, or someone that you were planning to marry. I'm not getting an energy of having kids. For some of you guys, you already have children with this person. For other you guys, you've known this person since childhood, but there's definitely a reconciliation happening here, and it's coming towards you very fast. Look at nine of Cups, wish fulfillment, 3 of Pentacles. You guys have been hoping, praying, manifesting that this person come back towards you and finally put the work in the connection, and that's exactly what they're gonna do. With the 5 of Pentacles in the reverse, this person wants to bring the connection in from out of the cold. With the Judgment here, this person is ready to sit down, bring truth, bring clarity to the situation, end old cycles, and move on and move forward. They've made a final decision. They know who they want to be with. They know who they want to grow with. They know who they want to marry. And this person's coming towards you, and they're going to express all the truth and all the clarity that you have been hoping for, praying for, manifesting for. This person's bringing it towards you, and they're coming in very, very fast here. There's a lot of communication. For some of you guys, I'm getting that this person has already communicated with you. Okay, this person has already reached out. You may find yourself a little bit stagnant, not wanting to answer just yet, because you can be a little bit afraid, thinking that with the Magician in the reverse, this person isn't right yet. But they are. This person is making plans to come towards you. The Magician in the reverse is an energy of somebody who can be rather manipulating, and I feel that you think that this person is still in that energy, but I'm not getting that from them. I am not getting that from that person whatsoever. If in the past this person put you in a third-party situation, broke your heart, this person's coming in with the intentions of healing your heart. With the King of Wands here, this person has a lot of passion for you. You may be dealing with a fire sign, but somebody who's very sexy, somebody who's very alluring. You got someone who knows how to talk, who knows how, they just know how to get their way with things. You're dealing with someone who is very passionate, someone that is coming back towards you very passionately. With the Temperance here, again, reconciliation, peace, harmony, balance in this situation. Whatever happened between you and this person, because I'm really getting this Magician in the reverse with your person and the 3 of Swords here. This person was acting out, and they were acting out really bad. You probably had to be the one to cut off the communication with this person, because there was too many painful things coming towards you. You felt like you were being backstabbed. You felt like you were being betrayed by this person. You may have walked away from this person, or this person chose to walk away from you. Whatever it is, at this point, with the 8 of Cups in the reverse, someone is coming back, and with the Knight of Cups here, this person is coming in here with apologies, with emotional communication. Gemini, whoever you were dealing with in the past, whoever walked away from you, is coming towards you, and you feel this, you know that the abundance, the happiness, the reconciliation, the harmony, the peace is all coming towards you, because you keep on getting the signs. With the numbers here, you see a lot of synchronicities. You're seeing a lot of you may even be seeing this person's car a lot, but I'm really getting like you're seeing repeating numbers. For some of you guys, you may even see this person's date of birth. I just seen like one of those lottery tickets where they have, with the Powerball, those numbers, there's something with that number for some of you guys that is giving you synchronicities in regards to this person. For other you guys, you may have even won the lottery and you didn't even know it. Go check them tickets out. Somebody has it stuffed in their wallet or their purse. But there is messages here. You're getting messages from your family, people that have passed away, people that love you, that they're looking out for you. They're letting you know that they're still there for you. They're giving you the strength that you need. They have your back. And whatever it is that you need, whenever you need to talk to anyone, you can always pray. Your ancestors, your family will always be there for you. Even though they've gone already, these people will still come through for you and give you the answers and the harmony and the peace that you require. But guys, overall, at the end of the day, there is a lot of abundance coming towards you. And I think that you very well know this, because you're getting all the synchronicities for it. Okay. All right, guys. I hope and pray that this reading gave you the clarity that you need. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. And if you want to book a personal reading, the information is in the description box below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.